Morning from Jerusalem. I'm in the middle of the Ultra-Orthodox neighborhood of Jerusalem. You can see the girls are going to their ulpana, to their school. It's Friday morning, but I'm next to a very important compound. It's called Schneller, and it's a Syrian orphanage. In 1860, in 1860, the Germans brought to here from Lebanon children that lost their parents at the massacre of the Muslims and the Druze on the Christians, the mostly Maronite. And they built here a beautiful compound. You can see that it's not the only one. And sadly, you can see, all right, it's in the middle of the Ultra-Orthodox neighborhood and no crosses, as you can understand. And more than that, they took all the Christian symbols except the lamb, which I'm not sure that they realize that it's connected to Jesus. Sadly, they are destroying it. They will keep the facade on, and they will prepare center of the Jewish people heritage. See that how it's going to be, and the tower will disappear. I cannot enter to the compound itself, but you can see that they are working there. It looks like they will they won't destroy the houses. They cannot do that. Israel won't let them do that. But you can see that soon it won't be like that. I don't know German, but I can understand the word Syria. I think it's, if you understand, if you know German, please translate it for me. Beautiful building. You can see a little bit of the Crusader arches. The Christians that came to here in the 19th century saw themselves as the Crusaders, the new Crusaders. Later on, the British, who will be here, will do the same thing. It was a beautiful compound, and the gate was right here. Nothing left from it, as you can see, except of some of the columns, and I'm sure that they will keep it, but it won't be as it used to be. Mayor? Schneller, at the time of Israel, if I remember correctly, yes, it was kind of an Israeli army place. And in 2008, the Israelis left that place, and sadly, the compound will be saved, but I'm sure that they will take off the lamp, and the tower, as you can understand, won't be here anymore. Then Schneller compound, the German compound, you can actually look at it and say, we saw that place just before it had been destroyed. Oh, change is its duty. Guys, with me, it's Mayor Schaefer, another tour guide.
Hi.
Yeah, and he translates the title. All right, Mayor, tells us what...
It says Syrische Waisenhaus.
Wait a minute, something wrong here. All right, it says...
It says Syrische Waisenhaus, which means Syrian orphanage.
Orphanage, all right. Then if he's right, and I think he's right, because the word Syrian, I could understand it without translation, but yes, it can be.
At that time, Lebanon was part of Syria.
Lebanon was part of Syria, yes. I'm not sure that the Syrian doesn't want Lebanon for themselves as well. They want Israel for themselves too. Then, don't forget, Oh, no. You can forget, but don't. Please subscribe to my channel, and I have more than 21,000 videos of Israel. If you do have some questions, don't hesitate. Bye-bye. Leave a comment.